So let's get started. Just everybody on here right now, we have 33 participants, and we are so happy to have you take this trip to Haiti with us. This is being recorded, so I will be sending out the recording as soon as we get it. That usually could take an hour, could take 3 hours, but you will have it either later today or tomorrow. So the first thing is, I want to welcome you on this trip to Jacmel, Haiti. Your hosts today are Maya Fonrose. He's our in-country director and has been our in-country director, Maya, since like 2015, a long time, but he's been with HTF for over 20 years. I'm Danette Miller, your executive director. I am located in North Carolina. We are going to Jacmel today. So this is a map of Haiti. And we are going to visit Lekol Sen Trinite, which is one of the schools and one of our partnerships with St. Joe's family. We've been a partner with St. Joseph's family for over 20 years. It includes the Lekol Sen Trinite School, Wings of Hope, and then the St. Joe's Boys Home. Just to give you some context, Jacmel is located about 60 miles from Port-au-Prince. Port-au-Prince is here in the center where you see represents our leadership development where our help students are located. So 60 miles to go to Jacmel will take you about 2.5 to 3 hours to travel it if the roads were open. They are right now not open. Gangs have infiltrated in this route. And when Maya was going over the mountain, which oftentimes we sent that video out, that would take him 4 to 5 hours, Maya, is that correct?
Yes.
4 to 5 hours. So Maya traveled to Jacmel on Saturday via airplane, and he sent me videos of him going to Wings of Hope, and everybody was so excited to see him. Right now, he is standing in a walkway that is leading to Wings of Hope, and he's going to take us to Lekol Sen Trinite, where they are celebrating the graduation of 15 ninth graders today. So Maya, why don't you share a little bit about the artwork before you start taking the walk to Lekol Sen Trinite?
Yes. Welcome, everybody. We're glad that you can come and visit Haiti today while the Lekol Sen Trinite and ninth graders are celebrating graduating to be finished with ninth grade. So thank you. We're glad you're here. So this is a wall we did, and that was last year for the camp. As you can see, the HTF logo, and also this is a butterfly which represent Wings of Hope and logo, and also the camp logo, which is the Fête Bon Dieu Bon Mer, Kaivov, the best camp ever. And as you can see, the people having fun. And also this art mirror is telling and showing the food distribution, which we did very often in Jacmel, giving food out to people. It's a mirror showing everything that HTF are doing in Jacmel, Haiti. So right now, we are going.
Yeah, Maya, I was just going to say about the summer camp real quick. Summer camp is held every summer. It was started after the earthquake in 2010. And that while there, it's God's Party by the Sea. And it was done by HTF sponsored. We worked with help students, and Maya has been helping coordinate that since we can't travel. But it was started to let the children in Jacmel that we have not forgotten about them. So we've had this camp nearly every summer since the earthquake. And that's what that Party by God's Sea represents. Go ahead, Maya.
So now we are walking to go to the school and graduation. This is a sign showing you about the graduation. So now we are walking on the stairs going up to the school.
And can I interject something? Okay, the school was funded. There used to be just a one-story building, and when the vision came to build a school for the poorest of the poor, people who couldn't go to school in Jacmel, HTF funded the very first construction of that on top of that one-story thing. Bonjour.
And in the
Hello.
school, this year for school, they had 213 students. 15 of them are celebrating their graduation today.
Bonjour. We got frozen out here. Okay.
Maya needs his volume on.
Danette, you have the stats, right? So this is a 9th grade graduation. 85% of students in Haiti enter kindergarten. Tell us how that plays out.
19% of those students complete. In this, Renee is on, so Renee, send me a message if I'm incorrect, but less than 50% of these students will pass the country exam. But in this school, for the past 2 years, I believe 100% have passed the country exam to receive that 9th grade certificate to move on to high school. Today, we're celebrating 15. Oh, there they are. 7 of them are sponsored by HTF child sponsorships.
Messieurs les membres de notre direction, mesdames, messieurs les professeurs, monsieur le président du board de l'association de la famille Saint-Joseph, messieurs les leaders de cette association, chers Mathieu, chers parents, distingués invités. Aujourd'hui, je tiens devant vous avec un mélange d'émotions, de fierté et de nostalgie, mais surtout avec une immense gratitude. Ainsi, je tiens à vous dire, mes chers enfants, c'est le dernier chapitre de votre aventure à l'école fondamentale. Mais c'est aussi le tout début d'un nouveau livre plein de pages blanches à remplir. Je dis, moi, parlez-nous seulement parcours élèves captivité fondamentale, mais plutôt parcours des explorateurs prêts à découvrir de nouveaux mondes. Cher grand Dieu, vous n'êtes plus le même qu'à votre premier jour ici à LST. Vous avez grandi, appris, douté, persévéré. Vous avez ri, parfois pleuré, mais surtout, vous avez avancé. Ce que vous apportez aujourd'hui ne serait pas dans un cartable. Vous apportez des valeurs, des souvenirs, des amitiés. Petite maillot. Vous parlez maintenant à l'école secondaire.
If we had captions.
Même si nous travaillons avec persévérance, si nous quittons les yeux, nous fixés sur Dieu, moi, certain, félicite-nous, et déjà assuré. Aux parents ici présents, je veux vous dire merci. Merci pour votre confiance placée en l'école Sen Trinite. Merci également pour votre présence et vos encouragements. Chers parents, l'école est une grande aventure, mais elle se vit à la maison. Moi, je voulais remercier chaque monde qui fait un déplacement pour venir aider nous dans une belle activité. Ça. Moi, je remercie les musiciens, nous. Moi, je remercie chaque monde qui a pris la parole, qui était dans une activité. Ça, dans l'autre couleur, une couleur que nous ne pouvons pas imaginer.
This ceremony started at 9
Nous
o'clock this morning,
tenons à
everybody.
remercier nos supporters extérieurs qui
They
de
are at
jour
the
en
end of
jour
it.
augmentent leur passion
Awesome.
pour le
We've got a couple
développement
hands
et
raised.
l'épanouissement de cette
If you
belle
guys want to
famille.
drop questions in the chat,
Je veux parler
we
de
will do our best to answer those.
HTF,
So if you have
Après
questions,
Haiti,
comments, go ahead and put those in the
HTF,
chat.
Lekol Sen Trinite et BAI. Merci à maman vente nous yo. Les ma petit maman vente nous yo. Nous allons avec qui on va parler. Avec mesdames et cuisines yo. On a souvent dit vente la famille dans le point de cœur. Aux enseignants et à toute l'équipe, je vous dis bravo. Vous avez planté des graines et aujourd'hui, nous voyons des jeunes pousser, prêts à se lancer vers le futur. Pendant que vous allez là dans l'école secondaire, n'oubliez jamais, vous êtes capable de créer, de rêver et surtout, n'oubliez jamais d'être vous-même. Rappelez-vous.
This is their families attending, correct?
Yes.
Mhm.
Right.
Docteur Seuss, un écrivain américain disait, tu as un cerveau dans la tête, tu as des structures, tu peux diriger ta vie dans la direction choisie. Autrement dit, mes chers enfants, vous avez tout ce qu'il faut pour aller loin. Il ne vous reste plus qu'à choisir aller. Les filles, les garçons, maintenant, déjà succès.
Hey,
Bon
Maya,
travail aux examens.
who is doing the graduation ceremony? Is this a principal or a teacher?
Et bonne réussite.
Principal.
Principal, okay. And he oversees the entire elementary school?
Merci.
The whole school.
The whole
whole
school,
school.
awesome.
L'autre activité, côté que nous allons remettre.
Some people are saying that Maya's camera keeps dropping. I continue to see it.
Avec
too.
médaille,
Okay.
ça symbolise et qui dit moi travail. Allez, Mbappé. Si moi peut-être quand je l'ai dans c'est parce que nous parlons. Même si nous allons dire nous général, c'est pas vrai. Nous connaissons moi-même. Et maintenant, La demandé à vos anciens élèves et on a demandé Esther avec capable de passer pour aider nous transmettre médaillon ensemble avec la chemin. Ça a un petit problème.
Now they are going to give the certificate and the trophy. I don't know. The medal, these to every one of the graduates.
Okay.
Bon bagay.
Avant, nous allons remettre demandé et mesdames Sayon pour un petit capé pour nous. 5 mesdames Sayon, c'est eux-mêmes qui gagnent c'est Alex. Alex, en fait, il a campé avec eux. Et 6 Sayon, c'est eux-mêmes qui gagnent médaille d'excellence l'école là. Ça veut dire qui ça veut dire si mon sayo nous besoin nous manquons c'est moyenne 6 qui moyenne de passage d'école là. Ça veut dire nous avons 4 contrôles parce que si on a fait 4 contrôles et que 6 ça va dire plus que 4 égale 24 et là si on a admis de en place à l'autre. Alors si mon sayo depuis notre 3e contrôle ils ont déjà gagné plus que 24. C'est ça, vous avez gagné 4, ils n'ont pas composé dans le 4e contrôle. Alors, on va quitter comme ça. Moi, juste médaille pour l'autre capable de suivre.
Maya, who is that standing with the principal?
This is 2 old students. The one they're choosing 2 of the students from last year that were
Okay.
that graduated to have passed the medal to the
Okay.
student.
Okay, good.
And they also congratulate 3 students. Those are 3 students from elementary school that did extremely well.
Mhm.
Et maintenant, on va passer avec les gradués. Et que tout le monde sont déjà.
Very faster.
François, Béatrice. Béatrice, François. Son Antenor.
Any of the rest of that kids graduating?
Not from here. Not from ninth grade. I can ask. Where's the chat?
J'espère que bon travail va le faire. Et alors, comme nous sommes promotion qui est vraiment marqué nous, tout le monde est très gentil, très sage.
My, what did he say for him?
He was sometimes troublemaker at the school,
Oh,
but he wishing him to do well.
he will. Thank you.
Uh,
Are there any rejoiced children in this group?
no,
Okay. Hmm.
a lot of emotion.
Well, there should be. I hope everybody who is watching this, in light of the situation in Haiti, I mean, you're basically watching a miracle. And this is a remarkable event that we're looking at right now.
Take my distance.
We have some of the child sponsors on here right now. Wow.
And has been there since 2013 to since 2016, 117.
Renee shared some information. So Renee works for the St. Joseph's family and LST. So she shared, and I put the information in the chat, the breakdown of how long these 15 students have been attending school at LST. So one has been there for 12 years, and the breakdown will further that. But this is so exciting, and thank you so much to our child sponsors who are making today happen. It is so cool. Catherine shouted out one of her children, one of the children she sponsors. So even if it's not one of the ones graduating today, she's been a part of that child making it to their graduation. And that is just incredible that we get to share in this.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Brian asked how many of these 15 students will continue their education. The hope is that all of them do. It is only through funding that they can go on to high school. So many of these 15 graduates will come into the Living Faith program that Maya started for high school sponsorship.
And we have some former Living Faith students who came out of Lekol Sen Trinite through Living Faith to high school and now are in college.
Renee mentioned that kindergarten can be up to a 3-year program because they come into the Montessori preschool. And that's why some have been there more than 9 years. Maya, if there's opportunity for you, when the principal is done, please let them know that HTF is here and we're so proud of them and we cannot wait to see what they do to change their community and continue on. We all want to clap so they can hear us, but that's difficult to do.
This is one of the teachers that they're honored today as well for all her good work that she's been doing at the school.
Se passe 6 mois dehors, pas 40 si. Mais travail en fait, c'est comme si m'était là. On va capable pas honorer mon ça. On a émérite à descendre à décembre ecclésiastique. On a émérite à descendre à mademoiselle. Ainsi, ça va arrêter là, nous. Ici, c'est l'école Sen Trinite. C'est l'équipe qui choisit la main. Nous mettons pas au karaté. Nous baillons pour cuisine. Nous baillons pour de danse. Nous Merci pour l'artisanat. De 11 qui a dit et qui déjà prêt on a lancé même, on va remettre le certificat. Jean-Julien est venu pour nous sur le rapport du conseil des professeurs et vu le procès verbal du jury d'examen laissé à la date et juin 2025 à Jacmel, attestons que Jean-Julien Yébine a suivi le cours fixé au programme et a satisfait aux conditions exigées par l'obtention du certificat d'aptitude professionnelle en pratique cuisine. En premier point, ce présent certificat lui est délivré pour servir et à Jacmel le 17 2025 au monde. C'est Madame Yolande Macron, professeur, Madame Yolande Prévost, membre de Dieu, et Ms. Louis qui a
Mixing French with Creole.
Maya, why is this specific student being recognized?
They have at the school, they have a course called a cooking class,
Jérôme Emmanuela.
learning how to, a cooking class, right? And so they are receiving a certificate for graduate from that class as well.
Amazing. Thank you so much.
Yes. All right.
Can you type in what class was that?
A cooking class.
Oh. I couldn't understand what he was saying.
Casimir Lovens.
Maya, is this for a different class as well?
Yes, this is a different class that they followed and take during the year. It is a cooking class school.
Okay. Thank you.
So now they know how to cook, how to make cakes, pastries. Now they are capable to work at any restaurant or hotel as a chef.
Wonderful. Mhm.
Benoît Thomas.
Maya, can they make pickles?
Oh, a lot of pickles.
Maintenant, on s'en-
Be interesting to know how many did in ninth grade.
Maya, is the bakery still functional at the school?
No, not anymore. The bakery is not functioning, but they do the cooking class in at the kitchen.
Renee is sharing with us that if it's the same as last year and the year before, the cooking students are actually going to cater the meal today for the graduates, teachers, and families. So really exciting to see them putting their skills into practice and being able to share their gifting with their community.
Yeah, oui, Debbie.
So all 15, that's the total class, all passed the exam.
100%.
Enfin, le mal dans le dossier. Ah, il y a un couleur. Un couleur. Oh, il y a deux. Un couleur.
You fini?
Avec la passation de flambeau. Ça veut dire, l'année dernière, nous avons gagné un groupe de monde qui était avec nous, qui était remettre sa charge là. Je dis à mon ça, on a quelqu'un, on a une situation vraiment. Le même tout, on va dire, on va se faire fini avec vous, et qu'on y ait moi, mission à l'autre cap de remplacer.
Petit problème.
You're singing.
Hey, Maya, we can't hear their singing.
They're not stopped yet.
Haven't started? Okay.
You're here now?
No, we can't hear it.
We can't hear, but your phone is turned a different way now. There we go. No, we can't hear them.
You can?
No.
It's
No.
not good.
No, we hear you. We can't hear them.
Can you hear?
No.
Maya, can you hear us? Can you hear me?
What?
Okay. We couldn't hear anything. Is this a school song that they are singing? I can't hear you.
Talking to me down there?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Okay. I think this is the last part of the ceremony. The last thing.
This
Song.
is the last thing that they do?
Mhm.
You know, you can hear it.
Loses.
Yeah.
Maya maybe lose, it says Maya's bandwidth is low.
What?
It just says your bandwidth is low, Maya. It cuts in and out, but we can't hear anything. Renee said the last thing they do is pray over the students.
Yes, the last thing after the song is the prayer.
Okay, thank you.
I would imagine if a lot of people are recording, it would do some.
Could be. I just don't know why we pick up Maya's voice and we're not hearing.
Le fini avant. Prier, une nouvelle prière. Oh, bon.
Mm.
Avant nous faire passer son flambeau, nous avons fait un petit annonce pour dire que fait mon yo connaît que groupe ça studio de ça qui passe. Et nous disons bonsoir à tout le monde. Et moi, non pas M. Maya, moi travaille pour institution ça. Et de même tout, moi travaille pour HTF, qui c'est Fondation Timoun Haïti. Et jeudi, pendant la cérémonie, ça, nous gagnons un groupe de à peu près 45 personnes qui suivent la cérémonie ça, en ligne, ensemble avec nous. C'est ça qui fait nous camper là à travers Zoom et moun yo ap suivre cérémonie. Alors Timon, moun sa c'est une série d'étrangers qui croient en nous, qui investissent dans l'école là. Yo c'est moun qui te bay pour construire l'école là et yo continuer à supporter nous à travers un plan parrainage. Alors, yo voulez faire nous connaître, yo croient en nous et yo souhaitez nous tout ça qui est bon. Yo souhaité pour que nous capables de continuer avec l'éducation, nous continuer avec l'école pour jusqu'à ce que nous finissions avec l'école nous et puis pour nous aller dans l'université. Alors, c'est un honneur pour eux pour que vous capables de suivre la cérémonie ça avec nous et vous voyez en pile bénédiction avec nous. Merci.
Le plan intellectuel. Et l'école, ça, il faut aller plus loin, plus loin, plus loin, plus loin, plus loin, puisque nous, par corps et âme, que si nous savons, nous faisons partie intégrante de Haïti, nous devons gagner des bagages. Nous devons gagner des tas de connaissances pour que le pays ne parle même. Le de Haïti, il est en agonie. C'est raison ça, avec tant de connaissances que je viens d'en témoigner, et tant de connaissances intellectuelles, tant de connaissances spirituelles, tant de connaissances morales, le savoir-faire, le savoir-être que nous débattons pendant l'année. Et pour tout dire que l'école, ça va faire géodémie. L'école, ça va coûter l'agir sans géodémie. L'école, ça va développer le fixer UL. Pour ouvrir un beau citoyen, pour ouvrir un vrai soldat. Et c'est bon. On souhaite que nous bien aller, nous bien et que épais intellectuellement bien éduqué. Et que aujourd'hui, je pourrais continuer à faire épais ça, à faire bravo ça, pour l'aider. Parce que voilà pourquoi. Parce que la paix va venir. Et que nous allons faire travailler par la peur, par en nous battant.
Right, from Miami. Mes amis, faites zoom, pas ça comme fait là. Faites zoom sur photo n'a fait.
Je transmets aujourd'hui cette responsabilité avec confiance. Le citoyen symbolise l'engagement, le devoir et l'espoir. Je laisse la place à la patience mais politique, le flambeau passe de bien, mais à la presse à l'œil. Tiens ce flambeau.
Je n'embauche pas mon nom de Jésus. Ils vont servir de victoire. Ce flambeau symbolise notre énergie collective. Ensemble, je suis sûre que nous irons plus loin dans le respect de la vie pour pouvoir traverser le principe et de la vie. Je tiens à remercier chacun de vous pour la confiance que vous m'accordez en me remettant ce flambeau. J'assume cette responsabilité avec joie. J'espère que cette femme restera toujours allumée afin qu'elle illumine notre cœur et notre pensée.
Everyone, Renee just let us know that the graduate just handed the light of knowledge to an upcoming ninth grader. It's something they do every year. We are hearing bits and pieces, but not much, Maya. Maya, after this, Maya, after this song, is it okay to go and take a walk to Wings?
Okay. Okay. So now I'm walking to the wing.
Thank you. That was beautiful. I hope they know how proud we are of them. Like Rick said, that's a miracle that they got through the entire school year.
Yes.
Okay, so you're leaving the school
Yes.
and Wings of Hope is right next to Lekol Sen Trinite, everybody who's walking with us.
I am now entering the Wings of Hope property.
Show everybody those fruit trees.
Yes, and here we have a lot. They have a lot of bananas trees, plantain, and they have mangoes trees, avocado trees. They have a tree called kenep and breadfruit. So they have orange trees. They have a lot of fruits. This is a plantain. almost ready.
Wow.
Maya,
Yes.
where is the prestige tree?
What?
Where is the prestige tree?
My e-plug is discharged.
Danette,
So now we are walking to the Wings building. These are the mangoes.
amazing.
What?
Very
This is-
nice, Maya. It's beautiful. Your earbuds, did your earbuds die? We're entering Wings of Hope. So Wings of Hope, everybody, just to let people know on the call, is a home for children and
This is
adults.
the Wings children. I'm sorry, I can't put my e-plug. It's discharged.
Okay.
J4, this is the kids. Pierre. Excusez, je fais.
Wings of Hope is a home for the children and adults that have different abilities.
Bonsoir, Teddy. Una. Excusez, mes amis, c'est un petit. Ça, c'est mon HTF, yo. Lazare.
Rick and Harry, if you want to put your camera on, he's showing them. I think they might be able to see you.
Okay.
Moi, Kelly, fais la
Yeah. Bonjour, bonjour.
David. Bonsoir.
Josephine.
Tell them people are on here and their heart is overflowing with love for them.
Josephine.
Josephine.
Bonsoir, Pasteur Rick.
Yeah.
Baby Jesus.
Oh.
À qui l'a mangé? Allez, comme ça, au grand goût.
Maya, can you hear me?
Pas que moi, pour.
Maya's earbuds have run out of juice.
Non, discharge.
Yeah, they're not charged. So it's hard for him to hear. Wanted to tell people about Wings of Hope. As you can see, it's flat. It's easy to get around. It's kept
I'm
very
gonna walk
clean.
you now to the bedrooms,
Okay.
Bedrooms.
to the dorms.
Maya, how did St. Joe's come to manage Wings of Hope, if you can hear me?
That's a long story.
Okay.
I've come to believe that there aren't short stories with HTF and Haiti. They're all good and full of miracles.
Well, a long time ago,
Denise,
Yes.
come on.
Oh,
This is the girls' dorm.
very nice. Bright and cheerful colors.
And the
When we are on immersion trip to Haiti, we do visit Wings of Hope. We spend 1 or 2 days with them, just being with them, playing with them, doing games, worshiping. They miss us as much as we miss them.
This is the boys' dorm, the boys' bedrooms.
And the boys have 2 bedrooms. There are more boys than girls there. Mhm. Thank you, Catherine, for sponsorship. I know many people on here sponsor Wings as well as those Lekol Sen Trinite students. Thank you. We appreciate you. We cannot do this work without these sponsorships and people's investment.
This is the
in
therapy
children.
room.
Therapy room. I believe Maya is walking towards the art room now. Maya, are you going to the art room? No.
It's too hot.
Parce que c'est même pareillement, seulement, ils ont affiché un comportement, leur devant pour comprendre que c'est opposé. Finalement, nous connaissons quoi de lumière rose, il y a tout. Combien de cas maintenant, il y a tout. Combien de point d'or, il y a tout.
Bonsoir, mesdames.
Manger.
This is the meal.
This is lunch. Looks like they have rice, beans, meat.
Danette, do you want to talk a little bit quickly about Nourish Haiti Now and how we'll be able to get more food to them?
Sure, we're running a campaign where we have an opportunity to get food. Most of it is going to be sourced out of Puerto Rico with a partner that is taking a ship. He's a retired sea captain. And it's called My Sea Hope, if you want to look at their organization online. And he's going to do it sometime next month. We cannot share exact dates just for safety reasons, but we're going to source a lot of food from Puerto Rico and also adult briefs, disposable.
These ones are the
briefs.
ones that pass away. Pass.
And that food's going to come to Wings of Hope, rice and beans and peanut butter and protein tuna, as well as the briefs. And then Maya is going to distribute to 130 families in Jacmel as well. The information, if you want to contribute to Nourish Haiti Now, is on our website at htflive.org.
We'll be able to provide 4 months of food for Wings of Hope. So it's been really hard for them to get the food they need from Port-au-Prince to Jacmel. So this will help.
This is the kitchen area.
Parce que c'est ah oui, obligé de le oui, pour le comporter parce que c'est au tap fait tout là là il fait ça OK.
Steve.
Donc, nous avons dit, que Ma pou koman sa?
Steve.
Bonsoir, Steve.
Pou on te
Bonsoir.
li pa vle di nou lâche pou sa. Li pa vle di que nou pa konsyen de sa moun fè pou nou. Gren mot que les messiens, faut nous toujours utiliser même petit ça, ballon qui petit. Même là, c'est pousser petit chaise ça. Mais là, pour dire merci. Comme ça, on va nous voir que moun faire plus pour. Mais là, avec ingratitude là, il a regret. Ça veut dire pour moi. Et tu peux me sortir avant. Et puis, maintenant, nous sommes affichés comme comportement. Et on va nous souffrir parce que là, comment c'est faire l'autre monde tout. Et ça me dit, mais on va gagner pas de jambe de reconnaissance. On va le faire aucun monde encore. Et je suis en discours ça. C'est tout dans la caméra. Ah, on y a ça pour mon jeu d'eau. Je vais rendre merci parce que ça aucun jeu d'eau. Bah, il y a fait même. Non, mais on a laissé pour le café. Il a fait négliger en couche. Là, tout le monde a pour faire plus parce que c'est pas lui-même. Mais vous faites que l'autre monde souffre. Et qu'il y a une balle, même dans la relation mon amour. Mon qui victime de mon nom, reste mon gars derrière, à foutre en fil. On a des systèmes confiance. Parce que on pas de
Sarafina.
si on passe au décart, demande ingratitude son qualité.
What? Surprise? You need surprise? Okay, no problem. I bring you some surprise. Today or tomorrow.
Everyone in the chat is sharing what years they traveled to Haiti for the first time and how many times. And it just continues to warm my heart as somebody new to HTF in March. And I'm sure Danette's watching it too with the smile on her face. And just one of the things that I've a decade of nonprofit experience, so impressed by the long-term investment that people continue to make and what makes HTF special. So.
Bonjour matin. Bonjour matin. Janet?
Yes.
I'm
Can
so
you hear
sorry
me?
about my A-plug.
Oh, that's okay. Can you take us into the art room to show the artwork that they do? And then will they sing? Will they sing when you come? And then after the art room,
Manuel, you ouvri? But écoute,
Donc, pas faire folie. Pas faire folie. Pas manquer ça nous va.
all right, we're gonna show you some of the art that the Wings of Hope have created.
Okay, this is the art room where they do all the arts at Wings.
It's beautiful, Maya.
That they paint.
And they have art every day. Somebody comes in here to work with them. That's beautiful, Maya. Maya, do they all participate in art? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
She said her first time was 2010. I said, no, you went to 2009.
But the camp was 10.
We did something there in 2009. The first camp was 10.
Okay, we're wrapping up soon. After Maya is in the
Hey,
art room,
Lucy.
Tree of Life. This is beautiful, Maya.
Thank you.
Mm.
You see that?
Mhm.
Thank you guys so much for sticking with us. If you have to jump off and get back to work, we understand completely. And just a reminder, the link will be sent out, and we would love for you to share that link with anybody who you've tried to explain Haiti to, but you haven't been able to. And our hope is that we'll be able to do more of these virtual visits over the next couple of months so that even more friends can experience Haiti virtually. We know that it cannot replace an in-person immersion trip, but it's just so great to be able to visit across technology.
Yes. Our next one will be in mid-July. We are going to travel to the Central Plateau and visit the women in the Chemin La Vie Mio program. So look for information on that one coming out. Maya, if you can hear me, are you able to gather the group for a song at the end here to wrap things up? I'm not sure he can hear me. There we go. Maya, will they sing? That's the Wings of Hope emblem.
Looks good.
I think it looks terrific.
Does that look a beautiful, lush jungle coming here, tropical jungle?
Well, it's fantastic to see how all of these plants have grown in the time since I've been able to get
Yes,
there. It's just phenomenal.
yes.
Maya, can you hear me? That's beautiful, Maya. Will you turn the camera to you? Maya, can you turn the camera towards you?
Now, Daniel, I'm gonna show you guys the dining room where they're gonna host the meal for the graduation.
Okay. And then after that, will you turn the camera towards you?
What?
Then after that, will you turn the camera towards you so we can see you?
Yes.
After you show us where they're celebrating with the graduation meal. So this courtyard here, if anybody recognize this area last year is where Maya had to do a lot of the summer camp activities.
As the dining, they're gonna host the meal for the graduation.
Do you know if the students cooked it this year?
This is pickles.
Oh, pickles. Yum.
Chicken.
Chicken, beans.
Fresh vegetables. Very nice. Thank you, Maya. Can you hear us? Can you hear? Am I on speakerphone,
you
Maya?
hear
Can you
us?
put it, can you hear us? Is it on speaker? Maya, place your phone on speaker. Oh, he's just trying to show.
Bonsoir avec HTF. This is David. This is David. He's one of the Living Faith students. He come to help with serving the food.
Hi, David. Bonjour.
Bonsoir. Bonsoir.
Bonsoir. Maya, can you hear me, Maya? Can you hear me?
Go ahead.
We have to begin to wrap this up. So we wanted to say thank you. People are so thrilled to be able to do this, and thank you for leading us on this immersion trip and showing us all of the work that is happening because of the people that are on this call and our investors to HTF. And you, the country leader, we appreciate you so much for being able to do this today. Can you hear
I
me?
want to say thanks to every one of you who continue to support the work of the Haitian Timon Foundation in Haiti. As you can see, these children who graduate today from 9th grade are about to continue on with 10th grade until they can finish with high school to go to college. Now to if Haiti was not exist, none of these students will not be in school if it wasn't you. So thank you for your financial support, for your prayers, and thank you for standing with the Haitian people. We love you all. We will continue praying for you, and we are so thankful to all your support. So love you and blessings to you all.
We love you, Maya. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you
this and
so
all the work
much.
that you're doing in Haiti. We cannot do this work down there without you. You're making it happen. Thank you, everybody, for joining us. As Caitlin said, we will be sending the link out. Oh, we can hear you now. Can you hear us? It might have charged a little bit.
Danet, can you hear me?
We can hear you, yes.
Yeah, we can hear you.
We can hear you now. Thank you.
Okay.
Yes. We wanted to say thank you for
So-
today, Maya, and thank you for everything you do in leading HTF in Haiti.
I want to say thanks to every one of you as well, because if it wasn't you, none of these students will be able to graduate today. So if it wasn't Lekol Sen Trinite, this student will not be in school. So now they are finished with the program at LST, and 7 of them will be coming to Living Faith, and the others, hopefully some people will respond to sponsor them somehow to continue with 10th grade until they can graduate from high school. So we the Haitian people, we love the work that HTF are doing. We want to say thanks to all the Haitian partners who continue to support the work of the Haitian Timon Foundation in Haiti. We love you, and we so thankful to all your support. God bless you all.
Thank you, Maya. God bless. We love you. Bye.
We love you too. Bye.
Bye.
Bonjour, béni.
Bon Dieu béni ou tout, Pasteur Rick. Moi, remets ou en pile.
Love you.
Love you. Bye-bye.